Hi guys, today I have come up with some WhatsApp tips and tricks. And WhatsApp is a trend in the whole world nowadays. And most of the people can't sleep without WhatsApp, eat without WhatsApp, and they use WhatsApp whenever they do anything, right? And today I want to show you 5 tips and tricks about WhatsApp. You guys might have known some of them, but today you're gonna learn something new. So watch this video until the end. Before moving on to the video, if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you receive updates whenever my videos are out. Come on guys, now let's get into the video. The first trick which I'm going to show you is related to your WhatsApp status. Most of you upload status frequently, right? And some of you upload like 20, 30, 5, 10 like that, right? And if your friends like the status, they would ask you to send those status. And you guys would go into the gallery and search those videos. And sometimes you won't even get those videos. So I'm going to show you an easy trick to share those WhatsApp status. What you have to do is just go to your status bar and click on these 3 dots which is on the right side, and then you could see your statuses. Then what you have to do is just click on these 3 dots again, and now you could see the options forward, share, share to Facebook and delete, right? What you click on forward. Now there won't be a problem in sending the status to your friends, guys. It's an easy process now, right? And the second trick which I'm going to show you is an awesome trick, guys. It relates to your voice notes. Imagine that if you are in a classroom or in a public meeting, and then you receive a voice note from your friend, and you wouldn't be able to listen that at that time, right? So I've got a solution for that. For that, you have to install an app from the Play Store. I'll give you the link of the app in the description. And what you have to do is, once you install that app, and then when you receive the voice note, you just have to click and hold on to the voice note, and then you would see the share icon at the top right of the screen. Then just click it and share the voice note to the app. Then the voice note would be converted into text and you would be able to read it, guys. And the third trick which I want to show you is a useful trick, guys. By this trick you could literally trick your friends. That is sending a WhatsApp message without entering WhatsApp. This is how it's done. Just open your Google search and in the search bar type send WhatsApp message, and then you would receive this. Once you receive this, just select your contact and type the message which you want to, and then send it. And after you send it, your friend won't be shown your online status or the last seen. And once your friend replies, you could reply to it by just scrolling down your notification bar. Fourth trick which I want to show you is Archive Contact. Most of you guys know this option but don't know why it's there. It is there for hiding your contact while giving it to someone, so that you don't want to delete your chat completely. Instead, you could just archive your contact. This is how it's done. Hold on the contact which you want to archive. Click on the icon at the top right of your device. Then your contact will be archived. That means hidden. Then if you want to take it back, then search for it and send a message to the contact so that it will be unachieved. Try using this, guys. it would be really useful. And the final trick which I have brought you today is sending your face as a sticker. You don't need any third-party app to do this. What you need is Google Keyboard. In many of the devices, it comes as a pre-installed app. If you don't have it, just download it from the Play Store. And once it's downloaded, what you have to do is first enable Google Keyboard in the settings, and then while typing, click stickers, and you would see a plus mark, add mark right here. Then click on that and click add to minis, and it would take a picture of yourself. Then it would show creating your minis, and then you would be able to send your minis as a sticker to your friends. I hope you guys liked the video. Nah, you must have liked it, right? If so, then don't forget to hit that like button which is right below, and give your opinions in the comment section. Your likes and comments literally motivates me in doing more videos, guys. And share these videos with some of your friends so that they might also get to know these tricks. Thank you for watching, guys. See ya.